Sometimes we need to find the square root of a binomial surd. These look like nested square roots. One reliable approach is the equating method. We assume the answer takes the form root x plus or minus root y. By squaring both sides, we can equate the rational parts and the irrational parts to find x and y. Let's evaluate the square root of 2 plus root 3. Assume it equals root x plus root y. Square both sides, and carefully expand the right side. We get x plus y plus 2 root xy. Now we equate the rational parts in yellow, and the irrational parts in red. This gives us our two primary equations. Now let's solve these equations. We have the sum and the product of x and y. Substitute y equals 2 minus x into the product equation. Multiply by 4 and rearrange to form the quadratic. 4x squared minus 8x plus 3 equals 0. Factor it. We find x can be 3 over 2 or 1 over 2. Plugging these back into our assumption and rationalizing the denominators gives us our final answer. Substitute y equals 2 minus x into the second equation. Rearrange into a quadratic equation. Factoring gives x equals 3 halves or 1 half. The y values match, just swapped. So our final answer is root 3 halves plus root 1 half. If we rationalize, we get root 6 plus root 2, all over 2. The equating method can be long. Luckily, there is a general formula, where c is defined as the square root of a squared minus b squared times d. Let's evaluate root 7 minus 4 root 3 using the formula. First, identify the components. A is 7, b is 4, and d is 3. Next, calculate circa 7 squared minus 16 times 3 is 1. So c is 1. Plug r and c into the formula. We use the minus sign because the original expression has a minus. Simplify to get root 4 minus root 3. This is simply 2 minus root 3. Quiz time. True or false? Applying the formula always involves finding the c value. True. Calculating c is the most important step for the formula. Next, calculate the value of c for the expression, root 11 minus 6 root 2. A is 11, b is 6, and d is 2. The formula gives the square root of 49, which means c equals 7. If this lesson on advanced surds helped you out, subscribe to Additional Maths Made Easy.